Welcome to the nursery. Hey everyone, how are you all? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Dorsak. I'm doing motherhood and lifestyle videos, so welcome here. And today it's a very special video because I'm going to be sharing Foxy's room, and yeah, it's his nursery. And even though he's 5 months old, it took us a long time to finish this room. I still thought to share it because a lot of you have been asking so many questions, and really, a lot of you have been asking so many questions, so I thought, why not sharing? I love the room. I love the way that it turned out. They're always helping me here, so it's a good opportunity to just share everything that we have here. Everything is pretty affordable, so I'm sure you can find a lot of things if you're on a budget. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first thing, I'm going to start off here with the crib and then move around the room and share everything that we have or did here. So first of all, the crib is basically the least expensive one from IKEA. I think it was only like 80 bucks or something like that. So it's very, very affordable. I think it looks amazing. Yes, I did find ones that are nicer, but they're like 10 times more expensive. So we went for something really inexpensive like this bed. And don't worry, everything that you're gonna see here, everything that's linkable, I'm gonna link down in the description box for you, so check it out after the video. And yeah, moving on to the sheets. They're not from the US, so I'm gonna try to find something similar, as well as the bumper. It's kind of like a set that we got as a gift. We might change it, but for now, it was a great gift, so we're using it. And he's getting so heavy, I think I'm gonna use the TUSHBABY. 1 second. Okay, way more comfortable. Moving on to this mural that I painted, I think it was about 2 months ago. So I'm gonna link the video. I actually made a video of me doing it. Are you so excited about the mural? So basically all I did here is choosing some colors that I really, really love and pretty much repetitively used throughout the room, and created this like half circle to really emphasize the crib and basically like highlight the crib because it's kind of boring on its own, I feel like. So that's pretty much an easy and affordable way to create a unique feature in any room, basically, just to highlight something by creating like either a circle or a half circle behind the item that you want to highlight. So that's a trick here for you. And moving on to this corner, which I love this corner. This cute swing, I just adore it. I think it's so cute. We got it as a gift from the registry before he was even born, and I love it. I think it adds such a cute touch. I can't wait for him to be a little bit bigger to actually enjoy it and use it on its own. We have those really light and airy linen curtains, which I love as well, but they're definitely not enough. We are looking into some blackouts because it's very hard to put him to sleep throughout the day. It's pretty bright here. We have a lot of windows, as you can see, so we're looking into that. That's the only thing we pretty much have left in this room, but I do really love the look of the linen. Moving on to this corner here, which I don't know, maybe I love it even more than the other corner, I'm not sure. These 2 shelves Lior actually built. We are so lucky to have a handyman in the house that can build everything that we want, so we are pretty lucky. Maybe we're just gonna flip you that way. Okay, so I flipped him over just so it won't be so bored. But basically what I want to say about these 2 shelves is that I really wanted to showcase some of our favorite toys and like books, some things that are more sentimental. So for example, these 2 books are my favorite books from when I was a baby, and this is like a tractor that we got as a gift, and we really, really love it. And I also found this handmade stuffed fox on Etsy, which I'm gonna link as well. I think it's super cute, and I love the color, as well as this dog that I got from a good friend of mine, so I'm showcasing it. So it's not really practical, it's just for the make this corner beautiful kind of thing. That's pretty much it. Moving on to this little corner. So basically I found these 3 basket things on IKEA, and I thought they are really cute and fit to this room kind of like aesthetic. So I'm just putting like I don't know, pacifiers and pictures here and some stuffed like finger animals here, as well as these two from Amazon. You can find them down below as well. And yeah, this is pretty much the pretty corner of this room that is less practical but more, you know, to add some dimension and style, which I really love. I'm an interior designer, so I have to put something extra. So this is my extra here. Okay, moving on to this dresser, which I'm sure you've seen before if you watched any nursery tour ever, because most of us mamas use this dresser. And the reason for that is because it's not only super convenient, it's also pretty affordable. It's from IKEA. It was the perfect size, the perfect shape. I love that it's white and simple, and I can use it later on for something else. And what I love about this specific dresser is that it has like 4 smaller drawers on the top and these bigger ones on the bottom. And I thought it's really convenient to put like either diapers or, you know, swaddles, everything that you need, like very easy access to when you're holding the baby and not needing to like kneel, and you know, it's very inconvenient. So I thought it's perfect for that. I also love the size of it. It fits perfectly in the space. It's more on the bigger size. If you have a smaller nursery, it's probably not gonna work. We're lucky to have space for this type of dresser, and basically we put everything that he wears here. So we don't need more than this dresser. So I really like it. We did change the knobs. It came with like black knobs, which I thought aren't really fitting to this room, which is very like light and airy and, you know, all neutral kind of colors. So we did find these knobs also on IKEA, and I think they're super cute. So I'm just going to show you really quickly what's inside of the dressers, because I think I've mentioned it, but it's easier to just see. So I'm just going to open, and Lior will kind of go through here. So I have the bird cloth, everything that's kind of like I don't know, medicine wise, accessories. What else? We have swaddles here and like fabric carriers kind of stuff. And below is just clothes on these two sheets, and oh, the diapers are right there. So everything that we need is in this dresser. So moving on to this mirror, which I found really, really cool. And I was searching for mirrors for quite a while, and I couldn't find anything that's kind of like budget friendly. And yeah, until I found this one. It looks really expensive. I just love it. I think it works really well with the theme of the safari here. So I really, really love it. Let's move on talking about this diaper changing basically setup that we have here. So we went for a changing basket. This one is from Design Dua. I love their mission. I love their product. So we decided to go with this one. We also have inside a gather mat, just because it's just easier to wipe it out whenever we have an accident. He loves when I'm changing his diaper here, so I feel like it's a very practical yet pretty solution that we got here. Everything that's related to diaper change is like right here in this side of the dresser, so it's easy to grab and, you know, change things around. Moving on to this nursing corner, which we have here. It took me pretty much forever to find a chair that I liked, a rocking chair. I was trying to find something that's, you know, that doesn't scream nursery. It has some texture to it, so I feel like it adds a little bit more dimension to the room. And adding more textures and fabrics to this very light and airy, like very neutral room is very necessary, I'd say. So I really love the way that it's incorporated in this room. And yeah, it rocks really, really well. It's very, very sturdy. And also, before I forget, I found this really, really cool pillow. I don't remember where it's from. I'm gonna link it below as well. This is like a cloud pillow, and I think it's super cool. I love the color. It does come in a few different colors. I think it adds a lot. It's exactly the kind of like yellow mustard that I love, and incorporate it throughout the room. So I thought it's perfect, and yeah, just thought I'd mention it. And here we have another one of these like dried leaf. It comes in a set with the other two, and this painting, it's actually my painting from, I don't know, I'd say 4 years ago. It wasn't meant to be here, but as soon as we started putting everything together for the room, Lior remembered of this painting, so he thought to incorporate it. I think it looks really, really good here, and yeah, I love it. Moving on to this book section. After a lot of thought of what to do with this like empty wall section, we decided to make it as our book station, and I think it looks so good because it really fills this area and adds some color and some, you know, interest, because other than that pretty much everything else is neutral. So some color is really nice to incorporate. We actually got this, it's handmade from Lior's aunt, so I wanted to showcase this elephant here as well. But yeah, we have all of our favorite books. So for the bookshelves, we actually saw something similar on IKEA, but they were really small, so Lior decided to just build his own version of them because we needed something a little bit bigger. It turned out really well, way better than I expected. We are able to put so many books here, and I feel like not only it's pretty, it's also functional, and it holds a lot of books, so it's really good. Okay, so moving on to this open closet situation that we've got here. We decided to make this closet a toy room, like a toy closet. So we decided to take everything out of this closet. We used to have like a wire closet kind of system. So we took it out, and Lior built these like shelves, very simple. And yeah, I decided to have like baskets because I wanted to have all these toys in one place and be able to really see what we have for him, and be able to, hopefully in a few months when we will start toy rotations, to have everything organized. So I already started here to have all the Lovevery products here, all the toys. We also have some like a music section, music basket kind of thing, and here we have all the toys that he will use in the future, that he is pretty like small still. So yeah, that's pretty much the setup that we have here, and hopefully the idea is when he will start walking and everything, he will be able to reach the lowest shelf. So that was the idea behind this like open shelving kind of system, and I'll be able to switch things around and do toy rotation. So we still have time for that. He's still pretty young, but yeah, that's our plan for the near future. And on this side we have these sweet stuffed animals that we found on Etsy as well, and also a gather mat, like a really big one that we use when we go outside or take it downstairs with us, just to use as a mat that is easily wipeable. And we also have this giraffe basket which holds some of his like stuffed animals and stuffed toys. And that's pretty much it for this closet. We really love how it turned out. We pretty much have some plans to add some color to it, but it's pretty much done for now. He's gonna love it when he will start walking, obviously. So yeah, we're excited for that. And that's pretty much it for the room. Oh, last two thing I didn't mention is the rug. It's from Rugs USA, also very affordable. And this lampshade from IKEA. I love the way that it looks. It's very jungly, and I think it's very suitable for this room. And that's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed this nursery tour and found some inspiration and ideas. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below, and let me know what you think about this room. I love the way that it turned out. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. We would love to see them again, right Fox? And that's it. I'm gonna see you again in my next video. Bye! Bye Fox! Bye!